Hello. Now we have another math problem, algebraic actually. This is trig problem, trigonometry, and it's about navigation. The pilots are using lots of trigonometry in order to solve some problems of navigation. Okay, the problem tells that the plane leaves this airport with this direction. It says 85 degrees direction. This direction, we're going to write 85 here as well. Okay, this direction. And then it arrives to this airport. Because bad weather, the plane doesn't return to the original airport, but to the other one up north to this, from this 230 kilometers north. From here to here is 230. Okay. And the question is, how many kilometers? What is the distance that the plane flew from here to here and here? In some words, the addition of this distance plus this distance. Okay. Okay. When we have a better triangle here. This is better than this because you can see it properly. Okay. We find that this is very important. So we're going to work with this amount of degrees. Since, okay, where are it done? 83 degrees. It's going to be equals. Okay, we're going to subtract 180 degrees of the triangle, because no triangle is more than 180 degrees, and this is more than 180. So no triangle is more than 180. So from this, you're gonna subtract 180. Okay, 180 minus whatever is here, 85. We go to the calculator, put the light where I have problems with the light. Anyway, 283 minus 180 equals minus 85 and gets 80. Since we subtract the whole thing here, whatever I got is this angle. Okay? Now that we have this angle, it's easy to find the other angle. No, we're gonna better put it here. I put it in a wrong place. Well, it's the same, but anyway, we are working with this triangle. Anyway, so we have to find out how much is this angle. Okay, in order to find out, I remember I told you that every angle, the sum of the angles of every triangle is 180 degrees. So in order to find this, we subtract from the sum of this 85 plus 80, 18, sorry, 85 plus 18, we subtract from 180, like this, 180 degrees minus 85 minus 18 equals. Then we're gonna get this angle, okay? 180 minus 85 equals minus 18. And we get 77. This is 77 degrees. Okay? Now, we find these distances using the law of sines. The law of sines says A over sine of angle A equals B over sine of angle B equals C over sine of angle C. You see, the letter like this should be over the sine of this. This should be over the sine of this, and this should be over the sine of this. Okay, let's find this. A over sine of 85 degrees equals 230 over sine of 18, 230 or sine of 18 degrees. Now we have an equation. We cross multiply. We cross multiply, we get like this. This times this times this, and then divided by this. If we do it correctly, I suppose you guys know this. If we do isolate 8, it's gonna do it this times this divided by this. Let's do it. 85 sine times this one. Okay, times 230 equals, now divided by the sine of 18. We open, divide, okay, we open parentheses, 18 sine, close parentheses, and then equals, and we get 741.5 kilometers. Okay, let's make this 4, let's make it 5. Okay, here 741.5 kilometers. Now we find this B, the same. This has to be over sine of 77. Let's do it. B over sine of 77 equals 230 again over sine of 18. This is the law of sines. Oh. Anyway, okay. Again, we cross multiply in order to isolate B. Cross multiply sine of 77 times this over the sine of 18. Let's do it. (77) sine times 230 equals, now divided by sine of 18, open parentheses, 18 sine, close parentheses, equals. And I get here in B, I get 725, so 2 kilometers. Okay, now we add up. We add this plus this. Let's do it. We have to erase the decimals here. We're gonna put it 725.2 plus 741.5 equals, the whole, what they want us to find out is the total. Let's write it down. The total distance flown by the plane is kilometers. 1,466.7 kilometers. And folks, we have the solution here. As I said before, the pilots work lots with Trig in order to find out the problems that they encounter with navigation. This is pure navigation. Okay, thank you very much. If you like the video, could you please give me a like or share it? The most important, I think, is share it. Anyway, both are good for me. Thank you very much. And we find it out another problem. We will find another problem for you to solve it in another day. I don't know, probably tomorrow, someday. Anyway, thank you so much.